We're headed down Potash right now, Potash Road. We're going to go out by Thumb and Louise Point and get a Toyota that lost brakes. So, of course, we're in Big D. By we, I mean me and the camera bag. We're going to run out here and grab this. Get it picked up and bring it back to town, dropped off at the mechanic shop so they can get it fixed in the morning. So, here we go. Well, looks like a brake line. Looks like we may have to go down the road a little bit, find a spot to turn around, come back this way. We're going to get up here to Thumb and Louise Point, check straps, make sure everything's going good, everything's looking good. But always good to get out and just put eyes on it. got down to the main road, so I threw the safety chain on. Now that we're on the highway, have a safety chain on it, all that fun stuff. And now we're gonna run the haul it into town. Alright, check it out. Mike and Shawn show today. Okie dokie, Smokey. And, don't go that way.
So we're going to Bears Ears National Monument in Blanding area-ish.
1 hour and 44 minutes, according to Google, away from here. Yeah, we're gonna drop the trailer and boogie on down to...
Boogie Town.
All right, trailer, be good. No talking to strangers. Don't do drugs, just say no.
Don't make eye contact.
Don't make eye contact. Yeah, don't talk to the bears either.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's nice.
I hear there's world record elk up here. Like that Spider Bowl. You ever heard of that? Yeah, Google Spider Bowl, Utah. That was taken up here on Elk Ridge somewhere, I guess. Ponderosa country. There's some good looking trees. Ooh, a deer. See him? A couple deer.
Two.
Two deers.
Buck meow! Buck meow! Nope, they don't like that one.
They didn't like that at all. Bingo, there it is, right there in front of us.
Bingo, bango. Dark green, you win.
Oh yeah, we were betting on color, and I won. We got a super low tire there. We got exceptionally sketchy high lift jack maneuver.
I shouldn't have my head in here, right?
Yeah, no, it looks dangerous as can be. This one here is missing two. That side there is missing all but one. I wonder if they didn't take the two out of this side to try and repair the other side. Yeah, here's the problem.
You want to hear something funny, you guys? We packed batteries for the impact, but did not pack the impact.
A little more hoo-pow. Oh yeah.
Look at all that hoo-pow he's got.
Lug nut sprung a leak.
Lug nut sprung a leak.
So we got two broken bolts, and then this thing is super messed up. Okay, right there, that's beautiful. Let me see one of those easy out thingies, the little guys. We're winning, Shawn.
Yes, dude.
What's that?
Is that a bear?
Heard something.
Ooh, it's probably a cougar.
Probably a cougar. Mountain lion.
Let's see. Use our vision, our night vision.
Go run around over there.
No.
Go find the Sasquatch.
Sasquatch.
All right, anyway. How's that going so far?
Maybe.
Maybe. Is it working?
Looks like it. goes. Liking that now.
Yeah? I'm happy.
Wonder where that bear went.
It wasn't a bear. That was like totally a chipmunk.
Mountain lion.
Look at that. It's driving, it's steering. Do they have a compressor in there? Because this tire is super low.
So, we got a spare.
Okay. Tab A, slot B. Bingo. Okay, go ahead and drop her on down.
Ready?
Yep.
Boom, bada bang. We are back in action. So you know what this means, Mike?
What's that?
We are in Blanding.
Yeah.
You know what's in Blanding?
Lunch?
Lunch. You know what kind of lunch is in Blanding?
The patio?
Yeah, dude.
All right. Check this out. Just happens to be right there. Cool tree. Probably got hit by lightning. But it's kind of neat. They grow in a spiral. Some of them do anyway. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can see where the lightning cram. All right, for all you nature lovers, here's some of the flowers we're hanging out with. That beeping is gonna be annoying.
Which one?
That beep, beep.
Is it beeping up there?
Yeah, I could hear it.
Oh, I can't hear it in here.
There was as you were driving up anyway.
Oh, I could hear it. Well, the
Hold on.
gas light's coming on and off.
Well, there's a bunch on your roof.
I hope they're full.
All right.
Here we go.
Okie doke.
Look, there's deers. Oh, corral right there. Horse corral. Look at this view. Swoop in here real quick. I mean, we're here. We cannot just drive by this spot. Check that out. Monticello is right there. Blanding is right there. So, what will happen now is we'll hook up the trailer, put the Toyota on there, and jet on out of here. Made it to Monticello.
Yeah, update. We did not go to the patio. We went to 7-Eleven. Mostly because it's quicker. And we got stuff to do. We are on the junction.
The food at 7-Eleven is delicious, I think.
Yeah, they have an unlimited supply of deep fried deliciousness there that
Yeah.
will get caught in your teeth and everything. It's good. Oh yeah, and by the way, there's no good elk hunting anywhere near here, okay? That spider bull thing from before, that was a joke.
That was a yogi.